everybody. Hand and I are out at the grocery store because on today's episode, we're going to be making and getting some ingredients for oatmeal and applesauce cookies. As it turns out, heart health and hearing health can sometimes be related, and that would be a great conversation for you to have with your doctor or audiologist. Anyway, I'm going to get my grocery shopping done, and I've seen Aunt Irma bake a lot of cookies, so I've never done it, but I can't imagine it's going to be that difficult. Okay, we're going to go shopping.
So Pearl, I hope your cookies turn out really good. I'm excited for you.
Oh, thanks, Lisa. I hope they turn out good too.
All right.
I schlepped all this stuff home. It was very heavy. But now it's time to bake the cookies. It's just stirring and mixing. How hard can that be? Hand, I'm going to need your help with this next part. We got to get the applesauce, brown sugar, butter, and egg into that bowl. And I always see Aunt Irma, she does some sort of packing action with the brown sugar. Okay, so now you dump these things into that bowl. Oh, Hand, I'm so glad you are home today. I so appreciate you helping. Now it says to mix. I've never mixed anything, so this should be pretty easy. I'm just going to turn this thing on and mix it up. Should go good. Whoa, that didn't go so good. Maybe I should use a spoon. This is a disaster. Nice job mixing, Hand. And I see you've put the salt and baking soda in. I had time to go wash myself off. Okay, so Hand, why don't you put in the oatmeal and flour and cinnamon, and then we'll stir it up, I guess. Oh, Hand, just let me do it. I can do it way faster. Let me do this. Okay, I'm gonna stir it in. I'm gonna need another shower, I think. Oh, we're at the last step. Fold in chocolate chips. Fold in chocolate chips? It's not laundry. What? Fold. Okay, let's just stir some in at a time, and I don't know what folding is. Cookie dough. So good. Hand, you're not showing. Don't show this. Let's just, okay, now we're going to get the cookies onto the cookie sheet. Here we go. Thanks for helping, Hand. There's one. And we're just going to fill up our cookie sheet, and then we're going to cook them for 12 to 14 minutes. And our first batch is ready to go. I'm sure it's no big deal that they're not all the same size, right? And into the oven goes our applesauce and oatmeal cookies. See you in 12 to 14 minutes. Yum! I think they're done. Ooh, they look very good. I'm going to get them out. Hand, don't you dare. Let's save them. Well, that's our show for the day. I think things went really smooth and really well in making our heart-healthy oatmeal and applesauce cookies. Until next time, goodbye, everybody. Hand, I think a measuring cup is probably going to work better.
What happened to you?
I baked some cookies.
Oh, well, I hope the cookies turned out better than you did.